Good morning, guys. It is about 3:45 in the morning. We just had a cold front roll through last night, sitting at like 27 degrees. So you know what that means. It's time to go duck hunting. Good morning, guys. We have made it to the blind. We've done cooked breakfast. We've ate breakfast. Now we got like 30 minutes of shooting time. We are out here. We've got Luke, his daddy Steve. We got Matt. Go ahead. Matt's got a channel, M&L Outdoors. I'm going to link it in the description below. Go check him out. Subscribe to him. He's just getting started. Let's show him some love. But we have came back to the blind that we was at Tuesday where we killed on the ring neck. Like I said earlier, we've got that cold front. It's about 27 degrees. We're going to make something happen today. There's several boats out here already. So hopefully with this little bit of, we've got northeast wind. With the wind, the other boats, we're going to keep the birds moving. But for the most part, we're already set up. So we just got to play a little bit of a waiting game, 30 minutes, and it's going to be go time. It's 29. Guys, we got right there. Right there. He's going around the back of the island. They might be coming around to go back and set up. God, come on, Tom.
Good. 6:30, we're good.
Yeah, 6:30 we're good. It's just 6:29 right now. Yeah, 6:30 we're golden.
Someone else is gonna shoot if we don't.
Alright guys, it's go time. It is go time. 6:30.
Hey. There you are. Them ain't mallards, but I guarantee it's
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
It's too cold not to. Keep it out. Feel it every day.
There's your teal. There's your teal.
They're circling.
I'm pretty sure those are teal. Got a little, groove.
Be ready, Matt. They might come in quick or something. They look like they cut the island in half. Alright, turn. I ain't never seen them. Where they at?
They're straight out in front.
Oh. Come on. Listen. They're getting low. They got low.
Turn left. Alright, here they come.
Don't move. No sudden movements. Let them work. They're going to come in the wind.
Yeah. Here they come. Come on, turn in. Come on. Here they come. No, they flared. Give them time. Alright, let's see what they do right there.
Where'd they go?
They went behind the island. No, they're out in front. Here they come. They're setting up.
Just let them
They're setting up. Nope, they're going out. They didn't like something flared them.
They were working for a second.
Oh,
they
yeah.
They were coming in and they were getting ready to come right back out and land in right here.
Because they was about to light in right there and something flared them.
Look up to your left.
God dang.
Look straight up. It's coldest. Yeah, that's the same route they turn. That's
Where they at? Tree's got it blocked.
Looking for the call. Hit a hell call to them. They'll fix to go down to there. Watch this.
Hang on, I got it.
Oh, crap. There you go. They turn. Thank goodness, because it's fixing to lock up. Go down there. Try my diver call.
Even have my camera on.
I didn't either. I turned mine on as it worked.
I just now turned mine on.
Here they are again.
Right here.
No.
No.
If they do that again, we're taking it.
They're going back around. They're going to come in here.
If they get that close again,
It's just a bad
anybody
thing.
thinks you got a shot, open up.
Them birds won't. Just hang on. They're making a turn. They're making a turn. They're making a turn.
They're gonna come over.
They're going to come. They're coming back around. They are coming back around. All right, next pass, unload. I'm sick of it.
Here they come.
Right here, straight ahead. No, they're turning.
Son of a bitch.
We definitely couldn't have took that one.
Yeah, if they wouldn't have turned, they'd have been dead.
Oh, I agree. Little update. There's ringnecks everywhere out here. We just worked the mess out of a group. I mean, they probably circled us 7, 8 times. We just cannot get them to commit. I don't know if it's something they don't like or, I mean, yeah, we think we got everything perfect, but, I mean, they're everywhere out here. We just, I don't know, hopefully we can get a couple groups to commit. If we can, ooh, it's going to be very good, but interesting morning so far. We just got to get some more and get them to commit. So let's see if we can make it happen. All right, so we got that one bird down. Me and Luke, we're gonna go ahead and run out there and get it. I'm thinking either a widgeon or a gadwall. We don't really know yet, but guys, man, we've been working the mess out of them darn ringnecks. We just cannot get them to commit. But at least we got something. Yeah, that's that. Someone took a dump right here on our trail. But hey, we got one down, so I'm pumped up about that. Let's just go see what it is. Oh, guys, I love it. This is as good as it gets right here. Shooting birds, shooting birds is, I mean, it don't get no better than that, but just being out here, man. There's our setup right there. Well, you still got the moon out there. There they are.
Let's go ahead and throw out their ringnecks.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna drop a couple more ringnecks on the outside. If you wanna hit the right side, I'll grab it. Right side or left side, it don't matter. To the right a little bit. Gadwall. Nope, widgeon. Drake widgeon.
Widgeon.
Drake widgeon right there. That's purty. You good?
Yeah.
Get back to the blind.
That's right. So we got all 3 of them. Small adjustment to the spread. Let me see it there. We got 1 foot.
We done took the band off of him.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Well, unfortunately, we got some kind of ugly pier mallard. But, yeah. Oh, pier mallard.
Winged her. There's a big one. 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 There Oh, God.
You mean let her go in here and just let her walk around with us?
Guys, you can't make this stuff up. But we are having a good time. Don't tickle my ear. Don't tickle my ear. We're having a good time. Well, I reckon this is where we're going to call it. We're sitting at about 9:30, and it has died out here. We have not seen any birds probably within 45 minutes, I'd say. We had one other bird come through here we shot at, but it was gone. We didn't get it. But we had a pretty decent one we killed. We killed those two that you seen. Worked in several groups of ringnecks, but they just didn't want to finish. But overall, it was a good morning. Luke's going to get the boat. We're going to pack the boat up. We're going to get decoys, and we're taking it to the house. But like I said, in the description below, Matt's channel is going to be linked. Go ahead, check him out, show him some love, subscribe to his channel. And next week, we're going to be back out here doing it again because we got more cold fronts moving through, and I believe it is going to get good. But until next time, we'll see you.